Hi there, I'm Chloe, Head of Content here at Ortto. We've just released some updates to our capture widgets, including the ability to add widgets to your journeys and improvements to our NPS widgets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an NPS journey using the new widget shape. So like any other journey, we'll head to the Campaigns tab, New Campaign, Journey, and I'm going to start from scratch today, but there is a template you can use if you want to fast track things. Okay, so I'll set my entry criteria, signed up 14 days ago. And then I'm going to add another condition here so that people can actually re-enter the journey after a 90-day period. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to make sure that the NPS survey is popping up for customers at regular intervals throughout their life cycle so that I'm getting regular feedback. Okay, that's all done. So now we're ready to edit the journey. Like any other shape, to add the widget shape, we'll just press this button and then you'll see it here. I'm going to create a new widget. Now, again, I'm going to start from scratch today, but there are a few NPS templates you can use if you want to speed things up. I'm using a pop-up. And you'll see here when I go to add the NPS content block, it's grayed out because I actually already have a form in this pop-up. So I need to get rid of that, and I'm going to remove the text and the image fields as well. Then add the NPS block, and I'll make some edits here. So I'll add my fake business name in. And I could go ahead and change the text on the feedback questions or the thank you response, but I'm going to leave them for the purposes of this video. You can make any style adjustments in this tab. And then in settings, I'm going to make sure that people can receive this more than once. So every time they pass through the shape. Now, this is new and super exciting. We have a new feature where you can prioritize your widgets. So you do need to head into settings to enable this, and then you'll be able to prioritize widgets here. So you can see priority number 1 is the highest, 10 is the lowest, and wherever you select, we're going to tell you how many other journey widgets are set at that priority. And if you click on this, it'll show you exactly which widgets are set at that priority. So I'm going to select priority number 1 for my NPS widget, and you can see I've got 7 other journey widgets at priority number 1. Journey widgets will always be prioritized above your other widgets. Now, there's also the option here for the display queue. So basically, if a contact is still qualified to see this widget, but they're also qualifying for a newer widget encountered later in their journey, you can choose whether you keep them in the queue until the criteria is met or remove this widget from the queue and replace it with newer widgets. I'm going to keep this one in here. Great, so we'll save and publish. Okay, so the widget's set up. Now I'm going to add a filter. I'm going to wait for 7 days or until they've submitted the NPS. And then after that, I am going to split the journey with a multipath condition based on their NPS submission result. So we'll add this for our promoters, passives, and detractors. All right, all done. I'm just going to tidy this up. Okay, so now we're going to build out the path for promoters. Normally we would do this for all of the different results, but I'm just going to do promoters for now. So first of all, I want to tag this person as a promoter. And then after that, we're going to set a delay. We're just going to wait 15 minutes until we send an email. I've actually set up an email in advance, so we'll just select it. Here we go. There we go. So then I would usually go ahead and build out the other paths for our passives and detractors, but that's where I'm going to end this video. And as you can see, using the new widget shape in your journeys is super straightforward, really intuitive, and there's so much you can do with it. Enjoy!